Why is the speed of light the universal speed limit? Now, we're told this all the time. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. But why? Why is the universe so strict about this one rule? And what actually breaks if you try to go faster? If you're new here, I'm Chloe and I teach you all about the coolest parts of physics, space and engineering, so don't forget to drop me a follow. First, a really important clarification. The speed of light isn't just the speed of light. It's actually the speed of causality, which is the fastest speed at which cause and effect can travel through the universe. Light just happens to move at that speed. So to understand why there's a limit at all, we need to talk about space and time. Now, in everyday life, we treat them as separate things. You move through space and time just kind of ticks along in the background. But Einstein showed us that space and time are actually stitched together into a single fabric called spacetime. And here's the key idea. There's a maximum speed at which anything, information, energy, cause and effect, can move through spacetime, and that's the speed we call c. Now, imagine trying to push something with mass, say a spaceship, a particle, anything really, faster and faster. At first, adding energy makes it go faster in a fairly sensible way, but as you keep pushing, something strange happens. The energy you need starts to skyrocket, and this is where you might recognise Einstein's most famous equation, E equals mc squared. That equation tells us something profound. Mass and energy are interchangeable, so when you keep pouring energy into an object to make it go faster, you're not just increasing its speed, you're effectively increasing how much inertia it has, so how hard it is for the universe to accelerate it any further. And the closer you get to the speed of light, the worse this problem becomes. To actually reach the speed of light, you need infinite energy, and infinite energy simply doesn't exist. So the universe isn't saying you're not allowed, it's saying there's no physical way to do this. But there's an even deeper reason this limit exists. If faster than light travel were possible, you wouldn't just be breaking speed records, you'd be breaking time. See, from some observers' perspectives, effects could happen before their causes. Messages could arrive before they were sent, cause and effect would get completely scrambled. And the universe really does not like paradoxes. So the structure of spacetime itself enforces a speed limit, one that keeps events in the right order for everyone, no matter how they're moving. So why does light move at that speed? Simply because light has no mass. It doesn't experience time the way we do. From the light's perspective, emission and absorption happen instantaneously. Light isn't racing through spacetime, it's simply following the geometry of spacetime as fast as spacetime allows. Everything else, planets, particles, people, have mass and so get slowed down. So the speed of light isn't arbitrary, it's not a cosmic speed sign. It's built into the architecture of reality. And if you're interested in learning more about spacetime and relativity, don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where, coincidentally, I've recently done a video on that very topic.